Hey gang, it's Chris and Ranger, and we are on our way on our first adventure in the new camper. So join us. All right, we're all hooked up. We're on the way. I'm excited. We're headed to Martin Creek Lake State Park, which is near Longview. Never been there before, but we'll see what it's all about. Well, we've been on the road for a while and it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna do what any self-respecting Texan would do. And we're gonna stop at Buc-ee's. But my Lord, is it crowded. On second thought, it is so crowded. It's a Sunday between holidays. I'm not going in there. There's just no way. This trip is all about my peace, and that many people, it's going to violate my peace badly. All right, gang, here we are. We are set up. Martin Creek Lake State Park. Need a pee break real quick. All right. Seriously? Are you done? Are you done? Come on. For our first meal in the camper, grill a ribeye steak. Seems appropriate. Ranger has found his spot. Santa brought him this little bag bed for him to sleep on or lay on outside. And he's got his Reveille blanket there. He's enjoying the good life. You may be saying to yourself, Chris, that's a big chunk of meat. There's no vegetables. You're right, there's no vegetables. I'm a grown man. If I want to eat just a steak for dinner, I can eat just a steak for dinner. It could also be that I forgot to pack the vegetables, but anyway, it's good to have supervision. You want a piece of steak? Here you go, buddy. You sit. There you go. It's been quite a year. And here I am, having a cigar. By the fire with my best friend, who's asleep right now. You're a good boy. Sipping a little Eagle Rare out of a red Solo cup. This is peace. This is peace. All right, Rangy. You got cold. All right, buddy, you can go for a walk. All right, you got point. Let's go. You done? How much pee did you bring with you? Let's go check out the lake. All right, Rangy, you want to get the ball? Good boy. Good boy. Good Good boy. Just having a good old day, huh? You telling everybody about it? You telling everybody about it? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. Yeah, tell the whole neighborhood about it, huh? All right, buddy. Come on. It's time for bed.